up, my beautiful people? Is there one and only Lady J? If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my darling people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell so that if I put more videos, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you. Mangbonga people, another one don shele again, another one don happen again. Pastors, see, I don't know what you now want for married women body. Oh, I don't know what you now want. Oh, my people. Oh, this story so this ogbonge news so like the thing shockalize me like seriously like the thing una know why shockalize me. These two people so wey evolve for this incident. Two of them are pastor. So the woman pastor and man pastor. And the woman now in the husband house. Then this pastor now, the two of them now, they begin to jogodo themselves. Like seriously? Why it be say it's also married women? Now they always come on a mind more on carry. Why? What did they make una they always they do this thing? I don't understand. Because this one not be first, this one not be second. What did they make una they do one? Why a business also married women now na IDD? Why? I don't understand really. The thing they shockalize me, like the thing they surprise me. So married women now na they always the day. So married women now they always they enter una eye. Why? Just see the way this man now they jogodo another person wife. Every time na so show he not go let your husband see am. Not know he say him with pastor they get the one where they dey together. Now even make the man they always the woman they always the saying they go church because he won't go jogodo with pastor. See the other one that then I saw that your husband they cash am to every time I so church. Every time I they go church, No, he say the with pastor they get the one where they do. Now so the man begin they follow and they follow. I first he do the story 130 times too. He follow and now he can see say the man the jogodo he wife he cash them right down there. That one, this one happen for whether Cameroon or Zimbabwe. And this one for happen that time too. Now so the man take cash his wife. You know why he be say married women? I don't see who they give me this answer really. I mean he get what una they use and do. He get what una they use and do. Wey be say so married women, now they always they enter una eye. Anytime una want carry a woman, so married women, now they always they enter una eye more una carry. Why it be like that for una body? All those fake pastors there. Why it be like that? He get what una they look for married women body. The married women self, let me they even they blame. These pastors not just una. Why it be sabi they just una? You were they married. Abi una not get culture. Una not get like Benin we get tradition. We get tradition where it be say you not fit go shook your leg for outside because when you marry, they put money for your head. That's why I say you don't marry, you are a married woman. Like you know suppose maybe say you can't dey marriage, you go dey shook your leg for outside. It's not possible. If man even greets you, like man want even talk like talks to you or anything, you must tell your husband for house. Now this time, let me come see say married woman go dey cheat on the husband. Like una not get culture for una place because we get culture. I don't understand really. Married women supposed to give themselves respect. If pastor even toast you, they see the way that is some married men will be say their head correct, they go even set the pastor up. You go tell your husband, maybe your husband go plan am. That is a good married woman. The one way be say he go just really agree for the pastor because the one go jogodo pastor now. Pastor don't be star now. We be say if you just call now, una go just run. No ja, una want go jogodo them. I don't understand really. Just see the way this one now, a married woman for that matter, married woman. You want go jogodo, you dey go the jogodo pastor. Your husband say no, they even get time for him again. Because of pastor, you know, say na pastor. If he even call her for bed, now lie, not go even come. Now so he dey fasting. She dey fasting. She did this. So not know he say he will pastor that they suffer, they do vaga themselves. He will pastor all the time. You see what he lead you to now, you this woman. So my ogbonge people, I beg, maybe they give ourselves respect sometimes, really, like, maybe they give ourselves respect. Eh? Just see the way God now take cash this man, this woman, this man and this woman. See the way God take cash them. You see? Because it don't say whether they deceive us. They deceive people, that they feel say they deceive. They don't know say they at the same time they deceive themselves. Because they deceive us ever since say they be real Christian. Whereas 2 of them get what that they do together ever since. Now they see matter. So now so God go to they expose them one by one. God go they expose you now because una be fake. Now una be a married woman. You just your eye go see their side. Married woman for that matter. Eh? I'm just like the thing they surprise me because it not suppose me married woman even cheat on the husband. They not suppose. What do they look for? What it go even make you do one? Like what it go move you go do one? What it go even move you say you want to go cheat on your husband at all? You know they possible. Eh? You know they possible. See that one that day now. A pastor the jogodo children, your own children though. They even they ask him the wife. They say is my beloved husband. I was like, this man, this woman they okay. How you say your beloved husband? Upon what did this man do? Now your beloved husband. You know? I don't really know what is wrong with our people anymore, eh? I don't know. Eh? Pastor. I don't know what you see for marriage in my body, eh? I don't know what you they look for. What did they make una they do amo? Only God na can know. Only God. Now go fit talk. Wetin una they use. Wetin una they use then they do. Eh? This thing go dey surprise me. What will just make person a married woman go say one go dey cheat on the husband? It's better you just come up for the marriage. You don't know say you not there. Than say now to come go dey cheat on your husband. Just know say you not there the marriage again. See them now. See the way disgrace they enter their body. Now so disgrace go they enter una will be fake. Because I don't know God where they call una. Me no say our God no go ever call people like una. Now una they call God. God not call una. So my bunga people, I beg, what do you think? Is it good for a married woman to dey cheat on the husband? I believe your comment for the comment section. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your one and only Lady J. Bye. Share this video for me and let me